Thank you, members of the media. I've called you for 2-3 things which I want to clarify. Number one, there is a report which came out and was highlighted in Taifa Leo so much about corruption in a few counties, including Nyamira. Sorry, I did not respond as soon as required because I needed the report, read it, and understand what they are talking about. That one I've done, and I comment as follows. The report is not talking about the governor of Nyamira. The report is talking about service delivery in the county government of Nyamira and other counties. And I found out that this report covers both the national government and the county government. They have singled out several departments in the national government and the county governments where bribery is likely to be demanded. In the county government, they singled out medical services. They singled out application for bursaries. Number 3, they singled out employment. Number 4, they singled out public health clearance certificates. Therefore, in the national government, they singled out police in terms of security protection, bailing of arrested individuals, reporting of a crime, application for TSC, social protection cash, seeking transfer of pupils from one school to another, seeking police abstracts, and others. So, this was a positive move, which is going to make us understand the departments will concentrate. Therefore, as I've said, in the national government, the two top areas of corruption is the police and other national government offices, including birth certificates. And in the county governments, they have singled out Health Department, MCS offices, and Public Service Board. I'm sure you have heard there is nowhere governor is mentioned, and there is nowhere they are specifying man has been lost. Therefore, this is an issue where all leaders should come together and look for a way forward. County government and national government through the county commissioner to come forward, come together, sit and look for ways of mitigating some of these issues. Those were lies. Why? What we were asked to do is not provide documents. There were loans which were given before without registering security, because the method we used, which was to disperse money after depositing the security, could not have met the treasury and the national government requirements. But we undertook to secure the loans which are there and do recovery from defaulters. There were 9 defaulters to do recovery, which we are going to proceed with speed. Otherwise, there is no documents we ask you to take. Governor, Yoki Arenge, ya both the national and the county governments. Na kinko boria baraibons. Abe county bachorire, tukwane ne ruga yamo. Na si national government, tubate na county commissioner, tomore kebin debi akwano. Maybe tuanchirane, tubeka outline, as abantu bako report. Lakini tari oko na weti ya mangana na Nyamira ya ure nkojire. Nyamira teraje. Chikaunti chia tetu nechi nyingi. Lakini iba hosi ngatia Nyamira abanya siasa because mata itekero kia na abantu. Again, tokende report ya kwanete igoro unanate abagoro ya polisi. Morochi na wana abane kala bakorusuwe school we bakorwe yende kusabariri yaki. TS kusabariri yaki. Ige bintebyo simna leaders to bwenda ko address to tebe ngakito okora to bikiani ose to bi eliminate to birusio kabisa. Ya kabere na ata the address yesene mini press. There is about 8 CC members who left when I came to office. Some have written and are taking to pay. But fortunately, most of them were not paid gratuity. We want them to undertake to the county government so that we can access gratuity straight to offset the loans. And then the balance left, we pursue them. The loan outstanding is 20 million, but it has accumulated interest up to 30 million. But on the part of interest, I think the cabinet can look at it and address on individual cases.